Learn English with Word In. Sentence 1.
We are 3 siblings.
We are 3 siblings. Sentence 2.
Even though you were fat.
Even though you were fat. Sentence 3.
She kept on crying.
She kept on crying. Sentence 4.
I had goosebumps.
I had goosebumps.